Operations in the sector were disrupted by the looting and damage to property in parts of Gauteng and KwaZulu-Natal in July. The sector was also affected by the third wave of COVID-19 infections in July that led to stricter lockdown restrictions impacting retail activity. When looking at activity between June and July, retail trade sales went down by 11.2%, following a 0.7% monthly increase in June. The ongoing vaccination drive and the easing of restrictions should give the sector a boost going forward.
Post-July, I'm expecting August to come up to be positive. August and September to be positive because one, we are starting to see a lot of people getting vaccinated. And then when you look at restaurants, they're welcoming in different malls, like maybe like nice malls like your Rosebank and yours like your Central. They are starting to see people coming to the malls as opposed to the past. So that will assist. As people get vaccinated like March, we will start to see as well change because people will be positive to get back to the market.
Meanwhile, residents in the areas affected by the civil unrest in July are still battling the effects of the looting. As businesses continue to rebuild, some items are not as easily available like before, and many are forced to travel far to buy some basic necessities.
Now I see now they are trying to fix because now here we've got Absa and net bank, which are now ATMs which are functional. But hey man, a lot has been, looting has affected us a lot. We are struggling here in Mirrorless because of that.
Yeah, because I don't deal adio. What we normally get from Pick and Pay, adio, and it's a bit far.
The disruption to the supply chains and the rebuilding process will likely negatively affect the sector's contribution to the GDP in the third quarter. Consumer spending accounts for 70% of the GDP in the country. Flora Sefako Musi, SABC News, Johannesburg.